Welcome back to Ultfone channel. Found an old iPhone at home but forgot the passcode? Or maybe you bought a second-hand iPhone that's locked? In situations like this, a factory reset is usually the fastest way to get back in. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset an iPhone 13. And these methods work for almost any iPhone. Let's get right into it. Method 1. Erase iPhone directly from the unavailable screen. If you enter the wrong passcode too many times, your iPhone will show the unavailable screen. At the bottom right, you'll see Erase iPhone. Tap it, then enter the password for your Apple ID. Once the device restarts, you can set it up again and create a new passcode. Now if you've also forgotten your Apple ID password, don't worry, there's another way. Method 2. Reset iPhone using iTunes. First, connect your iPhone to a PC. Then quickly press volume up, then volume down, and hold the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Now open iTunes on your computer. You'll get a prompt to update or restore your iPhone. Just choose Restore. iTunes will download the latest iOS firmware and reset your device. Once it's done, you can set it up and use your iPhone normally again. That said, iTunes can sometimes fail to detect your device or just freeze. If that happens, here's a more reliable option. Method 3. Use Ultfone iOS System Repair. Ultfone is a beginner-friendly tool that can fix a wide range of iOS issues, including resetting your device with just one click. Start by connecting your iPhone to your computer and put it into recovery mode, same steps as before. Then open Ultfone iOS System Repair. Click One-Click Reset. Choose Factory Reset. And download the firmware. Once that's done, hit Start Reset. In about 10 minutes, your iPhone will be fully reset. The unavailable screen will be gone, and you can set it up like a brand new device. And that's it, your iPhone is back and fully unlocked. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.